News stories, combs up, Fridays 6 p.m., Sundays 6 p.m. Stay tuned.
Generations passed since Joseph brought our fathers to Egypt. The favor we once held was forgotten by those who came to power. A new Pharaoh arose, one who saw our growing numbers as a threat. He turned the children of Israel into slaves under his whip. His heart was cold. He issued a dark decree against our infants, hoping to drown our future in the waters of the Nile. But faith is stronger than fear. In a basket of reeds, a mother's love defied a king, setting a destiny adrift on the river. Raised in the palace as a son of Egypt, I walked the halls of royalty, yet my soul felt the weight of my brother's chains. A single moment of justice forced me to flee. I traded the gold of Pharaoh for the silence of the wilderness. In the land of Midian, I found peace as a shepherd. I thought my life's journey had reached its quiet end. Then, on the slopes of Mount Horeb, I saw it. A bush that burned with fire, yet its leaves remained green and untouched. A voice called from the flames, "Moses, Moses!" I stood on holy ground as the Almighty revealed his name. I am who I am. I doubted my own strength, but he showed me his power. He turned my wooden staff into a serpent before my very eyes. The time for hiding was over. Armed with his word and the help of my brother Aaron, I began the long journey back. Your challenges today may seem like Pharaoh's army, but remember, the power of the one who sends you is above them all. Join us for the next chapter of the Exodus. Subscribe and share to encourage others on their journey of faith.
News stories, combs up, Fridays 6 p.m., Sundays 6 p.m. Stay tuned.